In this video, we'll compare Notion, an all-in-one workspace for note-taking and project management, and Todoist, a simple task manager that enhances productivity. We'll explore their features, pricing, and benefits to help you decide which tool best suits your project management needs. Let's get started. Let's begin with Notion, founded in 2013. Initially a simple note-taking app, it has transformed into a feature-rich platform recognized for its versatility. Notion pitches itself as an all-in-one workspace, integrating various productivity functions. It allows users to create tables, invent to-do lists, automate workflows, and track progress. This level of customization means you're in control of how you manage your projects. However, keep in mind that mastering Notion may require some training. Fortunately, online courses and free demos are available to help you get the most out of it. On the other hand, we have Todoist, which emerged in 2007 to address the founder's personal struggles with task management. Todoist aims for simplicity, enabling users to manage recurring tasks, set due dates, and create to-do lists effortlessly. Getting started with Todoist is straightforward, and the minimal learning curve makes it accessible for everyone. It's a dedicated task manager that streamlines the project management process without overwhelming users. Now, let's take a closer look at the features of both Notion and Todoist. At first glance, they might seem alike, but each platform serves different needs. Notion stands out with its wide range of features for managing tasks, planning projects, and even creating databases. Its user-friendly interface allows you to build customized pages using modular building blocks called blocks. This flexibility means you can create various formats such as lists, tables, Kanban boards, and calendars that fit your specific workflow. Whether you're working on a personal project or collaborating with a team, Notion gives you the tools to adapt it to your requirements. On the other hand, Todoist is all about simplifying task management. It takes a more traditional approach, using lists to help you stay organized. You can create projects, set due dates, and prioritize tasks with a clear color-coded system. If you're looking for a straightforward way to manage your tasks without getting overwhelmed, Todoist's simplicity and minimal design makes it a great choice. It helps you focus on what needs to be done without unnecessary complexity. Let's move to their unique features. Notion users can benefit from the integration of artificial intelligence through Notion AI. This feature enhances user experience by offering smart suggestions and automating tasks. It comprehends natural language, allowing users to create tasks, set reminders, and manage databases efficiently. However, Todoist offers a unique gamification feature called Todoist Karma. This feature motivates users by tracking productivity and awarding points for completing tasks and maintaining streaks. You can visualize your productivity trends through charts and graphs, making it a fun way to stay engaged. When it comes to customizability, both Notion and Todoist provide integration options that can enhance your workflow. Notion excels in this area, allowing you to connect with a wide range of popular applications. You can easily integrate tools like Slack for team communication, Trello for project management, and Google Docs for document collaboration, thus allowing you to tailor your workspace to fit your specific needs, creating a more cohesive environment for your projects. Notion's flexibility allows you to customize the way you organize information and collaborate with others. Todoist, while also offering some level of customization, has a more limited range of integrations compared to Notion. It connects with tools like Jira for tracking software development tasks and Microsoft Teams for team collaboration. It focuses more on task management, which can be beneficial for users who prefer a straightforward setup, but may not offer the same depth in customization options as Notion. Let's talk about pricing. Both platforms offer free versions, but with limited features. Notion provides more advanced features with its paid plans, which are priced higher compared to Todoist. This is understandable given the wide range of tools it offers, from database creation to complex workflow automation. Todoist, on the other hand, is more budget-friendly. Its paid plans are much cheaper, making it a great option for individuals or small teams that don't need the full suite of features offered by Notion. Both tools give you options, so it really comes down to what your project needs and how much you're willing to invest. So, What do users think about these platforms? Notion receives praise for its versatility and ability to handle a wide range of tasks. Users love the templates and flexibility it offers, although some do mention that it takes a bit of time to master all the features. On the other hand, Todoist is loved for its clean, simple interface. Users appreciate how easy it is to get started and stay organized, but some feel that it's missing advanced features like time tracking, which could be a deal breaker for more complex project management needs. Here's a detailed side-by-side comparison of Notion and Todoist to help you decide which is the right choice for your business. Take a screenshot for reference. To learn more and find the perfect solution for your business, visit softwarefinder.com. Thank you for watching, and we hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision.